Hi everyone, I'm Szenan-Balance from Szenan-Balance, the acupuncturist. Welcome to my vlog, Acupuncture 123 vlog. Now, I'm going to show you how to wash your hand properly, right? I was planning to film a video and show you guys how to wash or how to cover the hands, and you need to know that washing hands is rather important. It's more effective than using sanitizers, right? Before I actually get into my hand, wet my hand and wash my hand, then I actually discover a video that someone else already filming a video that is showing how to wash the hand properly. So let's review this video together and see what can we learn from it. So this guy's a very smart. He put some color on the hand, on the gloves. It's fantastic. Look at that. So first get your hand, doing your palm and then your fingers, and between your fingers, and you can see the color cover between the fingers. Then what happened? Back of your hands and the other side, the back of your hand, and wash the fingers in between as well. And you can see that anywhere that hasn't been colored with black color, then you have to do this movement. All the fingers. And now is your thumb. So you cover all your thumb. So basically, you cover all your hands. Have a look at that. And now rub your wrist. That's it. Fantastic. Did you see that? That was the proper way to wash your hands. So normally you need to wash your hand for 20 seconds. This is how we do in our clinic, before patient and after patient, that we need to do this process. And this is how the surgeon, they have to wash their hands before operation. But of course, they don't just wash over here. They wash up to the elbow, which you don't need to wash up to elbow. You need to wash up to your wrist. Alright? I hope you learned something from this video, and stay awesome, and I love you all. And remember to click here on the YouTube, find this, subscribe, to click it and the bell next to it so you won't miss any of my video in the future. See you. Bye bye.